Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a story using Scratch Junior. So first of all, you'll have to have the Scratch Junior app downloaded, and it looks like this one here, the little cat, and it says Scratch Junior. When you click onto that, you should see a screen like this, and you want to press the plus button to create a new project. First of all, it comes up with a set character of the cat, but you can change that. If you don't want the cat, you can delete the cat, go to the plus, and you can select from a whole range of characters one that you might like to have. I'm going to have, she's a dog, because my story is going to be about a dog. If you want to edit the dog that you have, the character that you have, you can go up to the little paintbrush here, press on that, and then you can change the colours. So I'm going to change this one so that it looks slightly more like my dog, and you can give it a name if you want. I'm going to call mine Benji, same as my dog. Make sure that you press on the blue tick up here, and then you have your character. If you want to add different characters, all you have to do is press the other plus, and you can decide who you might like. And again, go up to the paintbrush here, and you can change the colour of their hair, you can change what they're wearing, and so on. And then when you're happy with that, press the tick, or give the person a name. Call it me, and I give it a tick, and then that is your second person. You can have as many characters as you like. What you want to do next is you want to add a background. So if you go up to this button here with the different backgrounds, you can pick a background that you like. There's loads of different ones. I'm going to go for in the park. And again, if you want to change anything, you can edit things, but I'm just going to call this park. I'm just going to keep this one. So here are my characters. It's me and Benji in the park. And I think I might add one more thing. I'm going to add a ball. A ball that can be thrown for Benji. What you want to do next is you might want to make your character say something or move. So whatever command you want for each character, you need to make sure that you click on the character that you want to move. So I'm going to start with Benji. So he comes up on the bottom left hand side here, and the different coloured squares do different things. So the yellow ones is how you start. So if you press a green flag, your character will move on the green flag. You could have your character move on the tap, or you could have your character start on a bump on another character. The blue ones are movement, so forward, up, down, and so on. Purple is your action one, so they can speak, they can grow or shrink, or reset the size, or you can hide an object or show an object. The green is for making a noise. You could get your character to make a noise, or you could have a background noise. The orange is, again, action, so you can set a delay with a timer, or you could get your character to stop, or you can change the speed of your character, or if you wanted to put it into a loop to repeat what your character does, then you can do that. The red is for ending, so if you want your character's actions to end there, or if you want to repeat what your character is doing. So you can just have a play about first of all. What I'm going to get Benji to do, first of all, is say something. So click this one, type in what you would like the character to say. So if I press the green flag, Benji says woof woof. What I'm going to do next is have me speak. I'm going to start on the green, and then my character is going to say get your ball. And I can see if I press the green flag, Benji says woof woof, I say get your ball. So I might want my character to have a little delay before they speak, so I can put this in for a delay. And I can you press on the number and you can edit the number. So my character is going to pause 5 seconds. So again, if I press on the green flag to check, woof woof, a 5-second wait, and then get your ball. So then I'm going to get the ball to move on the green flag. And I'm going to get it to go up and then along. So again, you can press on the numbers at the bottom and you can change how many times if you want it to do the same action. I press that. So if I press my green button and test, ball moves, and then I say go get your ball. And then what I could do is I could have Benji move again. I could stop there and then put a new action in for him to move. Change that to 5. If I move my ball back, press my green, and then he's going to get the ball. So there's various things you can do. You can have a play about with the different actions and get your characters to move. If you wanted to add another scene, all you have to do is press this plus button on the right hand side, and again you can get with the cat, but you can delete the cat. Press at the top for a different scene, a different background. So this time they might be at the beach. Again, if you want to edit it, press the paintbrush and you can edit it, and then you just click between the scenes and you can edit it so that you can have your characters at the different scenes. So if I press my plus, got my characters there. So I'm at the beach as well. Can edit that. And you can also have it so that you link it in between each page. So what you can do is once you've added a new page, your page comes up. So what you can do is after the ball has moved, pop that on, and then when we press a green flag, it'll move onto scene 2, onto page 2, and you can repeat that as well. So that is you made a story with your Scratch and your different scenes. There is a way you can share that to Showbie, but you need an adult to help you with this. If you press this little yellow button up here on the right hand corner, give your project a name. So I'll call mine Walking the Dog. And we press this one here. An adult can help you with this. If we press share by airdrop, and then you can pop it onto Showbie, and if the teacher has created a assignment on Showbie, then it can be shared there, and then the teacher can show them to the rest of the class.